Hi everyone, just want to share with you this. I just finished work. I want to share with you how my client coming booked the service, the roughly about 250, but end up she paid nearly 400. How did I do that? And how is that happen? And why the service roughly it only 200, but I need 250, but I nearly like 150 above of that. But what I did for that, how I did. So here's what I share with you. The first thing that she booked for full head of half head of foil, but then toner and thing. But when she come in and she sit down and I asked her a question that how does she want and what she doesn't like her hair right now. So she said to me that a couple of things. She said, okay, I want some color, it like no brushes. She showed me the color, it's very bright, very light, and clean ashy blonde. And then she said, I don't want to put any color on my hair. I just want to use the dark color between, but don't do like smutty or put color on it because it turn like, I don't like it. She said like that. So, and then she said, okay, but can you do something, it look more soft and natural, but I don't want the harsh line. I don't want blah, 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 blah. So when she's saying that, I'm listening to her and I let her say all of that. And then I check her hair and I explain to her like this. Okay, I know this is what you want. Here's what I think. Okay, now you say firstly, I look at your hair. You have the band that it look like brassy. The root is dark, grow out that much. This part is like the band brassy. The end is light, but it's not that light at the color she wants. So I explained to her, okay, first what I'm going to do, first thing that I will do, correct the color, like the root of your hair right now is too dark. I really want to make it blend to the end, and then after that I will correct the uneven part in here for you to make it more blend. But the end of your hair, I don't want to put any bleach on it. So the color it turned out, here's what my promise. I say it will not turn out exactly that color, but it will no brassy, but then the color it blends so well. And my promise to her that the root it looks very nice and natural looking. It doesn't feel like too harsh on her root. So after I do consultation for her, she said, oh yeah, that's good, that's great. But then when I talk to her about the price, she said, oh, it's too much. And then I say, okay, that's okay if I can do for you. Let's say I do just only a part line to correct that part for you. It will be the part line color correction and then toner and then, but I suggest her to do cut as well. So roughly about 325. She's like, okay, do with that. But when I actually started it, I talked to her and she's like, oh, well, just do it. Do with, like I suggest, do a couple on the back in here and the part line half head of color correction, and I do cut for her as well. And I say to her that roughly it's 395 something. So she happy to do with that. And when I actually do that and the end result, she's so happy with that. So I'm so happy and to see that she's so happy with her look. And she's like, my goal is that I just want to come back every 6 months, 3 to 6 months. I don't want to come because she traveling, she works, so she doesn't have time to come back regularly. So that's why I share this with you for you to know that we can increase the price without any fear.